Welcome back, viewers. Our focus remains on tracking the top developments of this hour. Hearing in the Ranveer Allahbadia's case, the YouTuber and podcaster's case in the top court has begun in Supreme Court. Now, Justice Suryakant is taking up the case and has expressed displeasure on the remarks of the YouTuber and the podcaster Ranveer Allahbadia during his guest appearance on the show, which got a lot of criticism, named as India's Got Latent. The Supreme Court has asked the lawyer representing Allahbadia on the parameters of obscenity and vulgarity. Anand Singh is joining me live on the broadcast. Anand, at this point of time, in fact, the hearing is undergoing in the top court with the bench of the justices hearing this matter, expressing displeasure on the obscenity and the remarks that were made earlier. Remember, earlier as well, the top court dismissed the plea by the YouTuber and podcaster Ranveer Allahbadia to hear this matter at the urgent basis.
Yes, Simran, look, the way in which Ranveer Allahbadia case came into the Supreme Court for hearing, as two FIRs have been filed against him, one in Maharashtra and one in Assam. So the Supreme Court clearly mentioned that why we should club the FIRs and that why he is getting threatened. And he mentioned that the comments that have been made by Ranveer Allahbadia are completely obscene in nature, and they clearly give the impression that they have the pervert mind. So clearly the Supreme Court has came down heavily on Ranveer Allahbadia for the comments that he has made during the show, the India's Latent. And it has taken a very serious note, the way in which the entire obscenity was seen over there. And the court also mentioned that how such words were allowed to go on air, and how this kind of word vulnerability and obscenity were promoted by these social media influencers. Back to you.
Well, absolutely. In fact, as more breaking updates are coming up as the hearing is underway on the Ranveer